Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we will talk about some home buying tips that will help you in your first home buying process. Buying your first home in Canada can be an exciting yet daunting task. Here are some tips to help you navigate the process and save effectively. Set a budget. Determine how much you can afford to spend on a home. Consider factors such as your income, expenses, down payment, closing costs, and ongoing homeownership expenses like property taxes and maintenance. Save for a down payment. In Canada, a down payment of at least 5% of the purchase price is required for homes under $500,000. For homes priced between $500,000 and $1 million, the minimum down payment is 5% of the first $500,000 and 10% of the remaining amount. For homes over $1 million, a 20% down payment is required. Saving for a larger down payment can help you secure better mortgage terms and reduce your monthly payments. Understand mortgage options. Familiarize yourself with the different types of mortgages available in Canada, such as fixed-rate mortgages, variable-rate mortgages, and hybrid mortgages. Compare interest rates, terms, and conditions from various lenders to find the best option for your financial situation. Explore government programs and incentives. In Canada, there are several government programs and incentives designed to assist first-time homebuyers, such as the First-Time Home Buyer Incentive and the Home Buyers Plan. Home Buyers Plan. This program allows first-time homebuyers to withdraw up to $35,000 from their registered retirement savings plan tax-free to use towards the purchase of a home. The withdrawn amount must be repaid to the RRSP over a period of 15 years. First-Time Home Buyer Incentive. The First-Time Home Buyer Incentive Program is a government program that provides shared equity mortgages to eligible first-time homebuyers. Under this program, the government contributes 5% or 10% towards the down payment, depending on whether the property is new or existing. This reduces the mortgage loan amount and, consequently, lowers monthly mortgage payments. Research neighborhoods. Take the time to research different neighborhoods to find one that suits your lifestyle and budget. Consider factors such as proximity to schools, public transportation, grocery stores, and property values. Factor in closing costs. In addition to your down payment, you'll need to budget for closing costs, which typically range from 1.5% to 4% of the purchase price. These costs include legal fees, title insurance, land transfer taxes, home inspection fees, and other expenses associated with finalizing the sale. Build an emergency fund. You may incur unexpected expenses, such as repairs and maintenance. That's why it's essential to have an emergency fund set aside to cover these costs and avoid dipping into your savings or going into debt. Negotiate wisely. Don't be afraid to negotiate with sellers to get the best possible price for your home. Work with a qualified real estate agent who can help you navigate the negotiation process and ensure that your interests are protected. Pre-approval for a mortgage. Before starting your home search, consider getting pre-approved for a mortgage. This process involves a lender reviewing your financial information to determine how much they're willing to lend you. Having a pre-approval can strengthen your offer when you find the right home and give you a clear understanding of your budget. Consider additional expenses. Beyond the down payment and closing costs, remember to budget for other expenses associated with homeownership. These may include moving costs, furniture and decor for your new home, home insurance, and any immediate repairs or renovations. Home inspection. Investing in a professional home inspection before finalizing the purchase is highly recommended. A qualified inspector can identify any hidden issues with the property, allowing you to make an informed decision and potentially negotiate repairs or a lower price with the seller. Understand the market. Take the time to understand the real estate market in the areas you're interested in. Are prices rising or falling? How long are homes typically on the market before selling? This knowledge can help you make informed decisions and negotiate effectively. Get professional help. While you can research and navigate much of the home buying process on your own, it's beneficial to enlist the help of professionals. A real estate agent can provide valuable insights, guide you through negotiations, and ensure all legal aspects are handled correctly. Don't rush. Buying a home is a significant financial decision, So take your time and don't feel pressured to rush into a purchase. Be patient and wait for the right opportunity that aligns with your budget, preferences, and long-term goals. Stay flexible. While it's essential to have criteria for your ideal home, be willing to compromise on certain aspects if necessary. It's rare to find a property that checks every box, so prioritize your must-haves and be open to options that may require some flexibility. By following these tips and staying financially disciplined, you can successfully buy your first home in Canada while also building a solid foundation for your future financial security. If you found this information helpful, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content, and share it with your friends. Happy home hunting!